Hey my lovely viewers, welcome back to Right to Beat. This is my second video. If you have not watched my first video, I'll try to give the link in the description box. Please go and check it. I hope you people will love it. So, my next video is on writing. One of the essential skills needed in our day-to-day life. One cannot escape writing. So my video is on how to write with efficiency and with ease. I am going to give you few tips and tricks. With that, I guess you can easily give a beautiful writing piece. Now let's start without any further delay. The first tip is, what is genre? Yes, surprised might be you are hearing the word for the first time, right? Genre is the identification of your writing. That means whether it is descriptive, whether it is sarcastic, or you are writing a letter, or it is your diary, or it is your report, or you are writing some adventurous story, or is it some fantasy story, or is it a science fiction, or is it a non-fiction, whatever it can be, but it has to be something among these categories, right? So the identification of genre is the first and most important in your writing. Coming to the second tip, audience, purpose, tone. Remember the three skill words, needed words while you sit down for your writing. Audience, for whom you are writing. Purpose, why you are writing. Tone, what is the tone of my writing. Select your audience. Are you writing for it your teacher, or you are writing for your social media, or you are writing to promote any stuffs? It may be anything. So after your audience is selected, you know who are your audience, comes the next word, what? Purpose. Purpose means, why are you writing? Is it your examination, or you are working and is it your appraisal report, or is it your promotion report, or is it your minutes of the meeting? It could be anything. And third is tone. What is the tone of your writing? Is it sarcastic? Is it dry? Is it argumentative? Or is it simply narrative? So, when you combine all these three elements, you get a rough draft of your writing. Genre is identified, audience, purpose, tone is identified. Then comes the third tip, that is planning. Planning is very important. Why you know? Because if you don't plan your writing, you will freeze. You will just go on writing and nothing will come out of it. So planning is very essential. Now you'll ask me, how to plan for a write? How shall I plan? How shall I proceed for planning? Idea strategies. The ideas you have got after identification of the genre. For suppose if it is your writing for your teacher, it is your examination. Surely the tone will be very soft, because you are writing to achieve good marks. Or suppose you are writing for your social media post, it should be at times argumentative, at times it should be sarcastic, right? Because tone differs person to person, matters to matters. Now structures. How to build up, while any building is created, certain structures are required. I mean, when to put the bricks, when to put the cement, when to mix it up. Similarly, writing also requires a planned structure. That means which points to be in the first, which to be in the last. Or else, without this structure, your writing will have no meaning. And next is choosing right vocabulary. Suppose you are writing adventurous story. Your piece of writing will contain the fear of your body language, running to the hill or tumbling down the hill. All sorts of words you will use in your vocabulary. Choosing right vocabulary is very much essential. Suppose you are writing any argumentative, you will obviously use like sentence, should we proceed further, or is it the only thing, the only way to cope it up. So whatever it is, right vocabulary is much needed. And now you'll ask me, ma'am, how to get with all these things? Yes, for this, keep on reading. The more you read, the more stock of words you will have in your mind. And right now I am reading this Ikigai, a fantastic book by a Japanese author. The word itself, the title itself is very impressive. Ikigai, the word means you need just one reason to jump out of the bed every morning. So guys, if you want to write well, do keep a rigorous reading. Reading will make your writing to a very good level. After all this, the next major tip is organizing ideas. Once you have identified the genre, that is for whom you are writing, your audience is selected, you know the purpose of your writing, you know the tone of your writing, you have your planning, the well-structured theme, the well-structured plan. Next comes organizing ideas. Because once you just cannot drop down the points, something from here, something from there. No. The thing should be well planned, well organized. The least important point should go at the back and the most important point should come at the top. Right? So, I will end my video here. Thank you for watching. The next part of the video will be soon. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.